Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to simply add audio in Canva. So first, as you can see here on my Canva, so you have two ways on how you can add your audio. So first, go right here on the left part of your screen and then click these apps right here at the bottom. And then you will find these apps right here. So just scroll down until you find that music icon. So just tap that audio right here. So click that one and you will find a bunch of musics or sounds that you can actually add to your Canva. And you will notice that you have to be a Canva Pro so you can get this premium music. So you just have to click that one to add to your presentation. Now the second method to add your audio in Canva is go right here on the left side of your screen and then find that upload option. So when you click that upload option, you will find this image, audio or video or audio. So go right here on audio. So you can drag your audio right here using this Google Drive, Dropbox, Facebook, or Instagram. Or maybe you can just click that upload button right there, upload file, and then find that music right here on your folder and you just drag and drop right here, or you can just tap on open so you can add an audio to your Canva presentation. So that's it. That's how you basically add audio in Canva. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like to this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.